right here is the pituitary gland, like this part right here. So we'll use another brain. Maybe we'll use that. Or you guys have the pituitary gland. I need to basically use another brain for the ventral parts. But anyway, all right. Frontal lobe, parietal lobes, occipital lobes, temporal lobes. Okay. Great longitudinal fissure, transverse fissure. Okay, so I'm just going to show it on this side. Can everybody see? All right, so this part right here is the cerebral cortex, right? And if you were to do a frontal cut or coronal cut, you'd actually be able to see the gray matter nicely. This right here is the corpus callosum. And actually, here, I can show it on this because there's already a hole in here, kind of. So this right here, right here, corpus callosum, lateral ventricle. You guys are all seeing this? Okay. Fornix, third ventricle. Okay. Corpus callosum, lateral ventricle, fornix, third ventricle. Pineal body, thalamus, this here or that here. Hypothalamus is kind of just on the bottom part right here. Okay, let me see. Bottom part right here. The optic chiasm, so this is actually right here, this is the thalamus. Optic chiasm, and if you were to flip this over, you can actually, well, yours is kind of hidden and broken, but this is the optic chiasm from the ventral side. Okay. The mammillary bodies, let me see. Okay, so you can actually see them. See these two little bumps right here are the mammillary bodies. So this wasn't cut like right in the middle. Part of the problem. Okay, so let's see. Thalamus, pineal body. Here is the, let me see this angle. Superior colliculus, and there's the other superior colliculus, inferior colliculus. Okay, so that whole thing is the corpora quadrigemina. The arbor vitae of the cerebellum, and then this is the gray matter surrounding the cerebellum. Okay, and then let's see. Okay, we can see the olfactory nerves, or this is the olfactory bulb, but you just know them as olfactory nerves. Out here and out here would have been the optic nerves. Let's see. Do you guys have a pituitary gland? If not, I'll use that brain. Okay. Sorry. All right. Okay, so olfactory nerves, optic chiasm, mammillary bodies, this area. So you can also see them kind of here. Actually right here. And then ocular motor nerves, these two. Oh, the nice trochlear nerve here and here. Okay. You can actually, you have a part of the trigeminal nerve here. See that little stump right here? And right here. And then the abducens. Here.
Those string-looking things?
Mm-hmm. Right, so here is the pons, this is the medulla, and here are the abducens nerves. What else am I missing? Oh, and you guys actually have the pituitary gland right here too. Okay, let me see on this brain. So again, corpus callosum, lateral ventricle, fornix, thalamus, hypothalamus, optic chiasm, you can actually see right here, mammillary bodies. This whole area is the midbrain, and then superior colliculus, inferior colliculus. pons, medulla oblongata, and then spinal cord, cerebellum, fourth ventricle. I didn't talk about the fourth ventricle, but that's the fourth ventricle, arbor vitae. I think that's it, right? I think I covered it. Okay. Any questions? Okay.